Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you are fine today. So today we are again back in action after having another stuff for unboxing. Hope you guys like this and enjoy this my video. Today we have a juicer machine. Let's see what we get inside. So I'm going to unbox this one. So stay with me.
You already did
Guys, excited?
Yeah, but you already did it.
Huh?
You already
No,
unboxed
just
it.
open the bottle. I don't know what's inside. Let's see, okay?
Okay.
Arif, you too excited?
I know,
What inside?
I know what the box is.
Yeah.
It's like the top over here.
Okay, okay.
Put
We
the
just
on it.
we show our audience. Okay. Let's.
Get off.
Oh, Bismillah.
You got it.
Oh. Oh no, I do it. You
Mine
do
is
it.
gigantic. This one. This is
Oopsie,
Lamborghini.
oopsie. What is this? Show me.
Oh, I got a.
This is something like a brush. Yeah, it's a brush to clean this. And
My bucket.
please. No, you don't touch please.
Get out. That's it.
And this is mug
Get out.
for I think liquid.
That orange back there. Nothing. Nothing.
Yay! Anything else inside, guys?
yeah,
Let me have a look inside. Nothing.
Yes.
We got only this juicer machine.
Take this off.
And this is, I think, the brand name is Cookworks, and it's called stainless steel spin juicer.
I want to take this off.
Nothing inside.
Yes, it is.
Oh, just cardboard inside.
And I can open it. I can open it.
I'm going to reveal this one, guys. I think it's.
Oh.
Yeah. Show me. So this is a brush to clean this
Oh.
mugs and all this, juicer machine.
And it's
Ali, move, please.
me
You-
for
you
5
move.
minutes.
I show you my audience. It looks like this. I come from. Yeah, and this is also.
Get off. Oh.
It looks like this.
And what's the brush?
And
Papa, you mixed it up in it.
yeah. So all the rubbish going in this plastic one, and when you crush the, let's see, carrots. So when you crush the carrots, all the rubbish going in this side and juice on this mug.
And Papa dirty, we clean it and brush.
Like this.
Look at orange. Look at that orange.
Hope you guys like my today unboxing video. So stay with me by clicking on subscription button for a future video, and then you can see all my the forthcoming videos in future. So thank you very much, and enjoy your weekend because today is Saturday. Thank you very much. Bye bye.